Hey guys, my name is the Wolf and welcome back to Penumbra Necrologue. Another episode, another day. Okay, what do we have here? It's my location. I don't really know where to go. Storage, auxiliary shaft, and this is a residential sector. As I said, I don't really know where to go. I don't really want to go that way, so I'm just gonna go forward. Let's close the doors behind me, just in case something's gonna follow me. Hopefully that ain't gonna happen. Okay, let's just go this way. I don't really know if I should expect something. What do I have? I don't really have much. It's locked. I'm gonna probably need a key for that. But I don't really know where to find a key. God damn. I need to find a place where I can put the blue artifact. I forgot where it was. God dang it. What is this? It's a broken lamp. Okay. Or a lantern. Okay, there's the place. We need to put this thing right here. Okay, I thought we were gonna touch it. No touching now. Okay, that's all it is. Touch it. Okay. Like, I really have no idea what the whispering's saying. I have no idea. Oh, there are some keys. So what should I do? I suppose because of collapse. So what if I'm gonna move that? Okay, didn't mean to actually. Oh wow, okay. Well, that's how you do it.
Do you love pets?
I do. A little bit. I mean, I don't really have pets because I suck at, taking care of pets. They would die. If I've had a pet, it would die. Okay, let's go. Oh fuck. Oh crap. Oh, this pet. This is what you were talking about. Please, can you leave me alone? I would really appreciate that. Okay, he's not chasing me anymore. These were the locked doors. Let's insert a key and let's fucking go. Close doors behind me because I don't really care. Oh wow. You gotta be kidding me. Should I find a code somewhere? What the fuck, man? Oh crap, I need to go back. I need to go back and find some. Oh my god. Alright, he's right there. Buddy, you can go. I wouldn't really mind that. You can just oh fuck. Oh fuck. God damn. What the heck? Okay, let's go. Let's run away. Okay, through this door. I don't know where it leads, but let's go. Oh crap. God damn. I thought it's gonna be safe, but no, it's not. It's actually, I would say that this is the place from Penumbra Overture, but can't really tell because I haven't played the game in a while. I already forgot a lot of things, but that's me, the usual. It won't budge, so let's go this way. What's gonna be over here? What's here? Let's place a hell of a mess. I have a feeling someone's. So let's try to claw. Oh, okay. What does that mean? I wrote it down. It's not to do list. It's other findings, probably. Symbols on the table. Well, what does this represent? I have no idea. These are gonna be numbers. I'm really sure about that, but I don't really know which numbers are they. Like, what the heck? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 2, 5, 1. I guess I'm gonna go with that. I don't have a different option, so I'm gonna go with that. Oh crap! There's a dog. Fuck! Leave me alone. 7, 7, 2, 5. Fuck! There's only 3 symbols. 7, 2, 5, 1. 7, 2, 5, 1. Fuck. 1, 5, 2, 7. Fuck. 1, 2, 5, 7. 7, 5, 2, 1. 7, 2, 5, 1. That should be it. God damn. Oh fuck. Buddy, you can yeah, you can just be on your way. I wouldn't mind that. You can just go. You don't have to come in here because no one's here. Yeah. You can just oh fuck me in my. I don't really want to say anything. Okay, let's. Oh fuck! Oh crap! He fast. Oh, he fast. Bro, you're fast. Oh crap! There's nothing I can do about it. He's just fast. Oh, he. Yeah, I. There was no way I could outrun him, but I do have some sort of code. But what? It doesn't really work. So what's the point? Look, I'm gonna hide over here. It should be a good place. Crap. What do you? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 7, 2, 5, 1. I don't really know. God damn. This is bad. This is bad. This is really bad. Oh crap. I thought I inserted the right code, but it's not gonna let me through the door. Can you just go away? How many times I'm gonna have to tell you? Just go. Nothing interesting in here. Oh, he knows that I'm here. He knows. He's not gonna go away. Not easily. I wish I could throw something on him. I have a flare. You can go right there and take it if you want it. Okay, the flare's not really doing much. You know, fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, he's gonna break the doors. Oh, he broke it already. Fuck! What are you doing? What the fuck? Why are you so fast? How am I supposed to do this? What? Oh my god. Wow, he ain't giving up. He's not gonna give up. Not easily. Fuck, man. What do you want me to do? Crap. Fuck you, chair. Get out of my way. What is this gonna say to me? Nothing. Okay. That's what I thought. Wow. This is really taking forever for me. Alright, I'm gonna go back. I don't really wanna, but you know, I need to try the code. I actually forgot where the doors are. That's the worst part about it. That's the worst thing. Oh crap. I don't. There are the doors. 7251. 5721. 5712. 5217. 7215. 7125. 1919. Blah blah. Oh. Okay. That works too. What the hell? I did not think that that's gonna work. Okay. This looks like... It looks like we're gonna be running from... Oh, there's the bat. Or I don't know what that thing is, but... Oh crap. Oh. Ew. Ew, what the heck? Oh, fuck. Oh, there's a spider. Thought it was the... Oh, what the? Okay, that was quick. Maybe there was more than one. Wow. But I'm over here.
Well, isn't that just great?
Yeah, that's awesome. How the fuck they are so fast? What the heck? What the fuck is this? How can you be so fast? Oh, they're jumping. Oh, ew, this is disgusting. This is the worst. Is he coming? Yes, he's coming. He's right here. Oh, there's another one. Oh crap, there's more than one. Oh, there's two of them. Wow. And when I'm hurt, I'm slow and slow and slow, and then I'll die. A horrible death. I'm dead. How am I supposed to do this? Two spiders.
Well, isn't that just great?
Oh, they fast. No, through this thing again. What is this? Oh. Okay. They are afraid of light. That's good to know. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing here. The rock is standing in my way. No, come back here. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Okay. I'm going up. Oof. Nice, nice, nice. This is going pretty bad. I need to find some pills or else I'm gonna die. I don't really want to die. I want to complete the game already. Which is taking a long time. Well, as I expected. I think it's gonna be like 3 more parts and then I end the game. Then the game is gonna be over. What is this? Where have been placed? Blah blah blah. I don't really care. Where do I go? And what do I do? nightmares, blah blah. Okay, so probably not this way. Let's go this way. It's making a lot of noise. So here's some barrels. There's gonna be a lot of enemies on the way. I just feel it. I can feel the enemies right next to me. Yeah, someone just escaped from here. That's cool. Okay, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. Once I found myself at the station, I thought I would never see these walls again. Never feel this deathly cold. Deathly cold. At this moment, I wanted to get a word of advice from my friend. You don't have any friends. The girl, she, I don't know where she at. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to her. I feel like when we're gonna find her, she's gonna be dead. Like, I don't really know. That's my opinion. That's just what I think. There's a lot of cages. There's a lot of things locked up in here. Probably a lot of things that can kill me. Yeah, so saw blade, that's always a good thing. Okay, there's nothing. Can move those boxes if I want to. Not, don't really know how is that gonna help. Probably not even a little bit. So let's just go this way. There's gonna be some fun stuff over here. Yeah, it's like nothing. It's something behind it. No, probably not. And let's go to this box. Maybe there's some explosive that are untouched. Well, why would you need explosives? You wanna blow up this place? Or you're gonna die with it. So I would need to find some sort of tool, like a hammer or something. Let's touch this real quick. It's not gonna say anything. Okay. I would really appreciate if you could give me some pills. Okay, got a map. Section B, changing room, auxiliary shaft, storage, pumping station. Don't really know what that's for. Why can't you just say the story? Why do you need to write it on paper if I can't read? Why do you close the door?
Are you seriously going to base your actions on the record of God knows who? Neither I nor you know what awaits us there.
That's
I
right.
would advise you to collect the remains of your monkey brain in your skull and understand that you shouldn't do anything stupid.
I wouldn't do anything stupid, don't you worry. I would never do anything stupid. Do you see my progress, dude? I'm just a god in this game. I know the way. I know everything. Okay, so just shish. I feel like I'm gonna go down. I don't really know if that's the way. Well, can we go there? Okay, we can. If that's the way back, then well, like right now, I don't really know if there was the way back. I don't really know. I can't tell. The both places looks actually the same. Seems like a place that was on the map. Yeah, maybe. Where do I have the map? Other findings, map. Okay, this is the place where I'm at right now. Okay. So let's go to the section B, which should be over here. Yeah, okay. Some dogs howling in the distance. Okay, so not this. Wait. Notes I have found don't bode well, but maybe I'll still be able to find. Painful memories. So the map. What's it gonna show me now? I'm probably right here. I don't really know if that's like if I will wanna be here. Or there are the dynamites, so I would probably need to go to the other sectors to find something. There are the dynamites. I'll probably gonna be needing those to blow this place up. Leave no evidence behind. But I don't really know how to break the box. Okay, this is the other. Okay, yeah, that should be. It should be this. I should be right here. So I'm gonna go to changing room. I don't know if something good's gonna wait for me here. If there. Okay, so this is the changing room. Okay, what's over here? Got a mine helmet. Oh, I don't need to use batteries. Okay, give me the painkillers. I need some of those. Let's see if there's anything over here. Open all those lockers. Flare. I used it once. And it didn't really do shit, so I don't really know if I should use it again. Maybe it's good for distraction. There's nothing to place. Okay, I don't have a flashlight, so I don't need to replace the battery. It's locked. I don't have a key. But I have the helmet, so I'm good. This is cool. I have a helmet. No. I'm used to click M for map. Auxiliary shaft. This is probably where I was. No, was I? Where was I? I don't really know. Okay, this is the way I came from. Or I was going through here, but I don't know where I came from. Where are the doors? These are probably the doors I came from. I mean, it's open, so I must have been here already. Or maybe someone else was here. I don't know. There's no doors, so someone else was already here. Okay. None of my business. Okay. Someone's there. That's fine. I don't really know who is that. There's a storage room. How do I get... Okay, this is probably a storage room. Yeah. This is gonna be storage room. Yeah. Not really much in here though. I'm gonna need to find something. Like a hammer or silver saw blades. Various sizes. Yeah. I can see that. Give me the pickaxe. It's probably not gonna be the thing that I need. Who's stepping here? Steppy steppies. I heard something. Someone was over here. I know you're in here. Make yourself known. Something is missing. Yeah, no shit. Probably like a map or something. Okay, if I'm gonna... Jesus, I'm always pressing M for map. Well, right now I don't really know where I'm at. Oh crap, I'm like lost in this map. Maybe I'm over here. Is this section B? What the heck? Yeah, this is section B. Alrighty then. Yeah, so I'm down here. What am I doing down here? I don't wanna be here. I wanna go let's go to the auxiliary shaft. So I was over here, ran through here. Now should be part of the right, like right here. So let's go over here and turn. And there should be doors. Auxiliary shaft. I'm so lucky the door is jammed. I'm no longer able to open it. What do you mean you're so lucky? Okay, I came through here. That's good. I came through here. So if I'm gonna just go straight forward to the pumping station, there might be something. Might be. Not saying that it would be, but it might be. And there might be something useful in there. Yeah, it's gonna be probably like over here. Probably. Alright, so what do we have here? A lot of valves. I can't turn this one. So let me go and try this one. Nope. Nope. Can't do anything with that. Well, what was the point of... Oh, I got a hammer. Let's go to the section B, boys. Boys and girls. So I should be right here. Let's just go... Oh crap, what are you doing here? Fuck you. Alright. I feel like I'm way faster when I'm jumping. Oh crap. Ooh, that was something. Okay, the dog is back. Maybe it's the second one, I don't know. But he should not be able to follow me over here. Okay, now I don't really know where I'm going. I think I'm going the right way. Yeah. So I'm gonna break the box. What the heck was that? Oh, it was probably this blank. Okay. Let me use the hammer. Break this shit down. Again. And again. Again. Nice. What the heck? Okay, there's like one dynamite. Okay, I can still be used for this purpose. For what purpose? You don't really know where you want to put it. Painfully familiar noise. Uh-huh. Where do you want to put the dynamite? So I'm in section B. I'm like somewhere over here. But where do you want to use dynamite at? Its storage was locked. I think no, the auxiliary shaft was locked. Storage was. Do I need to go back? To-do list. Zero to some user exposed to leave this place filled with painful memories. Alrighty then, but where do you really want to put the dynamite? Because I'm curious about that. Just me myself, I don't really know where you want to put it, or like where to put it. Let's go to the dog. Let's go pay him a visit. You know. Okay, I don't know why my vision is so blurry. What the heck? Why is it so blurry? What happened? Oh, okay. What the heck? I'm right. What the fuck? What is going on? Okay, literally like all the paths are closed right now. What the heck? Okay, at least the storage room is still intact. Okay, there's the pickaxe. I don't need that. Don't really need this as well. Okay. What the heck? This place is so small. From all of a sudden. Why is that? Okay, this is the place. This is the place I have marked on my map. But I can't really go anywhere. What the heck? Oh, there should be... What the... There are no doors anymore. What happened? What the Okay, so there should be like only way to go, like just one way to go. But where would that be? The storage room is still, it's right here. It's not even marked or anything. Where I'm at, I'm over here, but I can't go over here. Can't even go over here. The changing room probably. Wow, this is impressive. This is incredible. Wow. What the? Why would you want to touch it? There's no point of that. Point of doing that. What would you do in the first place? Okay, the map is missing. Yeah, I probably know what's missing, you dumbass. Okay, I can touch those. I don't really know how is that gonna help me. He didn't even say anything, like, you know, why is this barricaded? Why is this missing? Why? I have a lot of questions, but I'm just running in circles. I don't even see anything. I don't even see a single path that I can go to. Wow, this is something. There should be something in the storage room, right? Maybe not. I really do hate this effect. Blurry vision. I hate that shit. I don't like it, not even a little bit. Okay, well, let's just go. There's a flickering of light. Always a good sign. Maybe I'm getting some. No, I'm just going around. Can someone just explain what the heck is going on? Cause I don't really know. Still gonna won't be enough. Gas canister. No. I don't really have a gas canister with me. So there should be one, right? Somewhere over. I don't know. Have you seen? Okay, but where should I? Oh. Maybe I know. Yeah, let's bring them over there. I don't know if one is gonna be enough. No, I'm gonna bring the other one as well. Okay, I figured that out. I'm a smart boy. Yeah, is there anything else? No, there's probably just these two. Yeah, it should be enough. But the vision, I don't know why. Okay, I just want to throw it, but I'm afraid it's gonna explode, so I'm not gonna do that. Nice. Let's get to the cover. Nice. I blew a hole in here.
You know, despite all the hardships, I was glad to stay in your body. It was very funny to bully you and browse through 100 of your thoughts. There were even a couple of smart ideas among them. Each of us has their own role. My role has come to an end. It's time for me to leave. You'll understand everything soon enough. Goodbye, monkey.
Bye-bye. Okay. Now what was that supposed to mean? We're not gonna see him anymore, or not gonna hear his voice anymore? That was probably why he said bye. How did I get here? I can't change the tracks. Sounds, it seems. It's probably not a good idea to go through there. Okay. What's gonna be over here? Okay, meta progress. Oh, I have a bad feeling about this. Oh crap. That's our buddy. Hey dude, I haven't seen you in a while. Okay. I do have the light on, which is bad because I don't know if I can turn it off. I probably can't. Fuck. I'm gonna need to find a key. I can't turn it off. Can't put it down. So I'm assuming that I need to go through these doors. Okay. Alright. What the heck? What the heck? I don't know what to do with this. It made a sound, you know. This made a sound as well. What the heck? Okay, but you know what? Okay, he's right there. I'm gonna leave the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.